Hey everybody, I just want to do an update on my signal collection. Got 2 new bells. Actually I got 4 new bells. All Western Railroad supply bells, but they don't have that aluminum sounding gong replacement sound. Anyway, I have a set of two Western Colin gate or light units that I got from a signal that they were gonna scrap, so told me I could have them. This one here needs some cleaning. Gonna do some repainting on it. This one here is with a set of 4. This is one of 4 that I acquired from that same crossing. They're metal. This one here is a Modern Industries. Yeah, it's Modern Industries. And we go over here. What do we got? More lights and more gates, or more bells. This one here, these are severely damaged. If you look at just the way that this one, the rain shield came off on this one. This one here is pretty damaged as well. They have locks on them. I gotta find the key. Here are the rest of the set of Modern Industries lights. They all work. I tested them last night. They work really good. I broke my transformer though for the bell and the lights, so I have to buy a few new ones. This one here, listen to the gong on this one. See, it sounds like that one, and this one here sounds like the old one that I have. That's here. I'll give you a listen. It's rusted shut pretty much. It's rusted shut pretty much, but these two were, I got these from the same crossing. They had triangle gates. I was trying to get a gate motor and a spider, but I got one piece of the, what they call a leg from the spider. But the other parts I couldn't really save. The gate box was a little heavy. The gate pivoter was a little heavy as well. So, and that right there is a dog dish. So it's not a piece of light. Then the 2 bells that I got here. In case you haven't heard, the bell on this one sounds the exact same as the other one, except it's not as crappy. Then this one here. But both of these work. I have to test the other ones to see if they work. I heard like a buzzing, so that could be a positive thing. So, and there's the other Modern Industries light, and I'll show you it. Shut up. Let's see. Got the bottom part of it. Let's see the part where it came off. But the Motion Industries, or Modern Industries, Motion Industries, what am I saying? Motion Industries. Modern Industries light, Western Colin light, Safetron light. That's plastic, and then this one's metal. And these lights were originally placed in '74, so about 38 years old. Okay, so far this is what I have set up. I can't get the other one set up because the little elbow is not moving to the point where I need it to be pointing. And okay, so I need to fix the little bottom thing on that one. And so there's a total of 3 lights on this one. And if I can't get that little elbow to move, I might have to put a Western Colin set on the other side rather than have 2 separate ones, because that doesn't look good. Alright, so I might have to repaint these. In that case, I might have to sand them down, and rewire the whole thing. But that's okay. The wiring system, I call this the ghetto spider for a reason, because it's made out of wood and the wires are showing. And so what I'm using as a junction box is this one. I did the illustration. And so the wires will go into there and the flasher will be in there. And the flasher is I'll show you the flasher once it comes in. I ordered it and it would be in a few days or so. So both of these are still in the paint. And I used stoppers from an old tool set that's not being used anymore. Same thing with this one, except I need one more. And the lights work. I replaced the bulbs with 12-volt bulbs for a brake light for car. And how this will work is that I have two separate wires. So this one and this one are wired together, so they will flash at one time. This one and then that one that's going to be on that side will flash at the other time. So just like the real thing. Some have like these two wired, and those two wired, so they flash like that. Okay, this is the outcome of the bell. One of the bells. I got the gong to come off, and I got the rain shield to come off. I also got this loose. It's a little thing to put oil. I also made a new hinge for the door. It's not very good, but it does the job. I had to drill out the old things. This part came off, as you may have remembered if I showed you. Now it's pretty much new. All I have to do is just repaint it. I have to make a new rain shield for this. It works like a charm. I might have to replace the base. Can't really see it, but you'll see it a little bit. Here's the inside view. I have the rain shield inside, but it's really damaged. And I found out that the aluminum sounding gongs are replacement gongs, so I have to get a replacement gong for this one, because this one is in pretty bad shape. Same thing as for the other one, but I can't get the gong off that one, so that's life. But I want to show you the new hinge. Well, it's not completely that well, so you have to lift it up like that. I want to put the camera down. You have to put it up like this, and then hold it, and then put it like that. It's difficult, but it gets the job done, I think. And then look. There you go. And then I'll show you what I was talking about, how it may need a new base. I don't know if you could take a look at the bottom here. See where it's cracked a bit. But it still holds pretty well. I might need to get a new one from Western Cullen, because it's the same dimension, same everything. All I need to do is just, if anyone has a base for a Western Cullen bell, just hit me up. I also am looking for a pipe. 4-inch diameter pipe for my crossing signal that I'm making, and it won't be here, it will be at my other location, and I'll show you that location.